Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course code is 53119. Today our topic is about balance. Balance. The distribution of weight. Balance in art refers to the sense of distribution of perceived visual weights that offset one another. We feel more comfortable and therefore find it more pleasing when the parts of an artwork seem to balance each other. Imbalance gives us an unsettled feelings, and that is something that for most artists is not the desired effect. Some artists, however, deliberately disturb our sense of balance. Balance is defined as rest or response. The restful effect can be obtained by arranging the objects with different colors and shapes that have equal attraction on each side of the center. Balance is equalizing visual forces or elements in a work of art. If a work has visual balance, the viewer feels that the elements have been arranged in a satisfying way. Three kinds of balance: symmetrical, asymmetrical, radial balance. Symmetrical balance. Other terms for symmetrical balance are formal balance or classical balance. Symmetrical balance is when elements on both sides of a central line appear to be about equal. The objects of the two sides have the same attraction. This kind of balance gives sense of dignity. You can see the example of symmetrical balance. Both sides are same. You can see another one. And this. Example of symmetrical balance. Another. You can see Symmetrical balance. Asymmetrical balance. Asymmetrical balance is when art elements appear to be different on both sides of a central line. The objects do not attract some same attention. This kind of balance affords a greater opportunity for variety in arrangement. Asymmetrical balance has sides that are different but are still in visual balance. You can see example of asymmetrical balance. Another. Asymmetrical balance. Both sides are not same, but the composition is balanced. You can see symmetrical balance, asymmetrical balance through this picture. Radial balance. Radial balance happens when all the elements radiate out a central point. As you can see in this picture. Here are some examples of radial balance. The kind of balance used in any arrangement of furniture and decorative objects help an individual quality to our group. Another example. So this balance happens when all the elements radiate out a central point, as you can see in this painting. Thanks.